Brown mucus discharge. What to know about brown mucus discharge? What can cause brown mucus discharge before and after a menstrual period? Did you just notice the brown mucus discharge, or has it been on for a couple of days? Are you worried the brown mucus discharge is a sign of ovulation or implantation in pregnancy? A lot of factors can lead to brown mucus discharge in a woman and may or may not be a reason for concern. A menstrual cycle is a natural process that occurs monthly in most women and enables pregnancies to occur. As a woman in her reproductive age, you always have to note your last menstrual period (LMP). Your last menstrual period is the start date of your most recent menstrual flow, and pregnancies are dated from your last menstrual period. Menstrual cycle ranges between 21 to 35 days in adult and 21 to 45 days in young women. Within the menstrual cycle, a range between 2 to 7 days is normal for your menstrual flow. You may notice fresh blood, which is red in color, or old blood, which is brown. The new or old blood may mix with the vaginal and cervical secretions to give brown mucus discharge. When bleeding occurs outside the normal period for menstrual flow, several factors may cause it. These factors are discussed below under what are the causes of brown mucus discharge before and after a menstrual period. Do you know several infections can cause brown mucus discharge in women? Bacterial vaginosis, trichomoniasis, and yeast infections can lead to brown mucus discharge in women. They're usually present with itching, soreness around the vagina, foul smell, and brown mucus discharge. Ensure you see your doctor if you notice any of these symptoms. Some women bleed mildly during or after sexual intercourse and may be due to trauma to the cervix or vaginal wall. The blood released during sexual intercourse may mix with cervical or vaginal secretions to form brown mucus discharge. During pregnancy, the cervical mucus discharge is thick, and when combined with any bleeding, it will result in brown mucus discharge. You have to note if the brown mucus discharge started before or after sexual intercourse. How is brown mucus discharge formed? Vaginal discharge serves as an important indicator in the female reproductive system. The vagina and cervix produce mucus fluid that is usually clear or maybe milky whitish. The clear fluid secreted by the vagina and cervix helps to remove bacteria and dead cells, thereby keeping the vagina infection-free and clean. The fluid released may become a problem if it is in excess and can lead to discomfort in women. Copious secretions occur in pregnancy and increases till term. Note that the normal vaginal fluid contains bacteria, cervical and vaginal cells mixed with secretions from the vagina and cervix. Brown mucus discharge forms when old blood